here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Let's see what's inside. And all you gotta do is click on my Amazon affiliate link, which will be down below. And like I said, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. Oh. And also, see what other goodies they have to offer. But if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out, and they'll ship this to you fast. Ooh, baby. This is coming from my good friends over at Redragon. This is a Mirage Pro wired and wireless gaming mouse. Ooh, baby. This has high speed, high recession, high quality, high technology, high performance, highly customized. Nice RGB there. Nice box. On the fly DPI adjustment. Backlight can be on and off. Grip and hence scroll wheel. Right there. You got a little grip. 2 programmable thumb buttons. Rapid fire button. Power and backlight on and off switch. So you get some choices on the side. You get the USB right there. Alright, let's get into it. Test this out on a computer. And like I said, all you guys gotta do is click that link down below. Check them out. They got tons of gaming accessories for your PC. I think consoles too, so definitely check them out. Really cool. There we go. Alright. And we get some stuff right here. Stickers. Oh, we got some stickers right there. Ready for battle. Yes, we are. Red Dragon, Red Dragon. Red Rover, Red Rover. And manual. And you get the USB right there. And now here is a mouse. It's in the house. Nice carbon fiber, kind of looks like. Has a nice like braille feeling to it. Nice matted black. Oh yeah. Here's that wheel that I'm talking about with the grip. Buttons there, buttons everywhere. There's an on and off switch right here. 2 programmable keys. Here's the bottom. Turn the, ooh. Look at that. She's ready to go. Turn it off. Side. Actually, we don't need to use a PC. I mean, it's pretty simple, guys. It's a mouse. Everybody knows how to use them. Off and on switch right there. So we're gonna make a short video on this one though for today. But super lightweight, guys. Super lightweight. This might be my main mouse now though. It has a good feel. Good clicking. I like the grip. Feels good. And yeah, definitely check these guys out. Redragon. Oh, baby. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good rest of your weekend. And hopefully see you guys back during the week. I think right now, because of China, they had their China New Year and Spring Festival or something like that. They had both holidays combined in a way. So, which was really cool. I had a nice little break. And now I think we're back in full swing. So, we'll be having more unboxings throughout this year. Throughout the summer. You know how it is. Check them out. Oh, Redragon. Super lightweight RGB gaming mouse. USB style. Or you can have wired. So, choice is yours. What did I do with the USB? Uh-oh. Oh, it's right there. Do not throw away until you pop that thing out. So, yeah. Definitely, guys. Have a good weekend. Take it easy. Be safe. Stay warm. And all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys soon. See ya.